So Vander, what happened when you told them about that? What happened? And you didn't get in trouble? You kinda did? Well, what do you think? What do you think about that? How did that make you feel? Vander, how did that make you feel? How did it make you feel? How did it make you feel? Oh, like you had a poop? Really? That made you want to poop? Whew.